Nominative is an independent case that signifies the name of a being or object. It's typically the subject in a sentence and is always used without a preposition. In our text, the nominative is represented by the proper noun in singular form, milica, serving as the subject. Nominative in a sentence can be: subject, the colorful flowers have bloomed. Ivan dressed nicely for the celebration. Attributive, the colorful flowers have bloomed. The joyful children are playing. In terms of word type, these words, colorful, joyful, are adjectives and function as attributes in the sentence. Adjectives also change according to cases, as they are variable nominal words. A position or its part, Marko Kraljević, the son of King Vukašin, is celebrated in various folk songs. Nominal part of the predicate, Marko is a student. His dad is službenik.
Mira is glumica.
The nominative case indicates the subject in a sentence, that is, the person or thing performing the action or being the subject of the description.
Example primjer.
Subject, the cat is sleeping.
Mačka spava.
In this sentence, the cat is the subject and is in the nominative case. The genitive case indicates possession or origin of something. It relates to something that belongs to or is associated with another concept. Possessive, this is Mary's book.
Ovo je Marijina knjiga.
In this sentence, Mary's indicates possession and is in the genitive case. The dative case indicates the indirect object in a sentence, that is, the person or thing to whom something is given, assigned, or directed. Indirect object, she gave him a gift.
Ona je dala njemu poklon.
In this sentence, him is the recipient of the gift and is in the dative case. The accusative case indicates the direct object in a sentence, that is, the person or thing upon which the action is performed. Direct object, I bought a new car.
Kupio sam novi automobil.
In this sentence, a new car is what was bought and is in the accusative case. The vocative case is used for addressing or calling out to the direct addressee in a sentence. Direct address, Jovane, please come here.
Jovane, molim te dođi ovamo.
In this sentence, Jovane is being directly addressed and is in the vocative case. The instrumental case indicates the instrument, manner, or cause of performing an action, for example, with what or how the action is performed. Instrument or means, he wrote with a pen.
Pisao je, s olovkom.
In this sentence, with a pen indicates the instrument used and is in the instrumental case. The locative case indicates the place where an action takes place or where a certain object or phenomenon exists. Location, the book is on the table.
Knjiga je na stolu.
In this sentence, on the table indicates where the book is located and is in the locative case. In the following video materials, I will explain the cases and examples in more detail. If you enjoy the content I'm sharing, please subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. That way, I'll know you like this material, and I'll work even harder on creating new content.